Today's special assembly is on the eve of National Science Day.
Science knows no country because knowledge belongs to humanity and is the torch which illuminates the world. Louis Pasteur. A hearty morning to everyone present here. This is Rajeshwari from Grade 10 presenting today's assembly on the occasion of National Science Day. Over to Vidya.
National Science Day is celebrated on 28th of February every year throughout the nation in order to commemorate the invention of Raman effect. Let us know more about Raman effect from Tanuja.
Raman effect is a phenomenon of spectroscopy discovered by the eminent physicist while working in the laboratory of the Indian Association for Cultivation of Science in Calcutta.
Hi Rajeshwari, good morning.
Hi, morning.
You look so different. What's the matter?
Actually, I am on a quest.
Quest? For what?
Why do things fall down when we throw up instead of going up?
It's all because of gravity. Because of gravity, today we are able to stand on Earth erect.
Yes, you are right. It's because of gravity and it was discovered by a brilliant scientist, Isaac Newton.
Do you know the reason behind this?
Yes, that's nothing but science.
Do you know how National Science Day came into existence?
In 1986, after the discovery of Raman effect, the NCRTC, National Council for Science and Technology Communication, had approached Government of India and declared the birthday of Raman as National Science Day. And in the same year, 28th February was declared as National Science Day, and since 1987, we are celebrating National Science Day.
Now, let us thank God for giving the gift of science and let us ask God for blessings on everyone who are engaged with scientific technologies and information. Let us start today's assembly with heavenly prayer. All of you join your hands and close your eyes. But deliver us from evil. Amen.
The Arjun of all knowledge, we humbly ask you to be with us throughout this day. Help us to study well, to be responsible, obedient and sincere. We are proud to be part of India. The pledge of elegance instill a sense of patriotism among the students, and it is the main part of school's assembly. It's time to take pledge. Everybody take position for pledge. It's over to Jahman.
My country, all Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters, I love my country, and I am proud of history and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone
Around us is science. The great scientists have inspired us a lot and inspired the young explorers. So, now let us have a thought from Bindu. Over to Bindu.
Good morning one and all, I am Bindu from grade 10. Today's thought is, the greatest weakness is to giving up the most certain way to succeed as always, to try just for one more time. Thank you, have a nice day.
Rise and shine to all. Today's Duino is brought by Ramyasri from grade 10th Onyx. ISRO scientists created world's first 3D printed heart by using human tissue. Once again, ISRO scientists created world's first 3D printed heart by using human tissue. Thank you.
Words are currency for communication. These increase the communication skills amongst the students. Let's have a new word from Aishwarya.
Good morning to everyone. Today's new word is irradiation, the state of knowledge, the state of containing a lot of knowledge by few people. Once again, the state of knowledge containing by few people.